Anti-Alice Ointment and Soap, laging patok sa skin disease.
Horses out, we have For Your Eyes Only. Fast to begin, Danori inside, boss. Isa pa nga, Alazim, Da Vinci comes next. Kaakit, Aki, Traditional Dream, and Tameret Kata. For Your Eyes Only, Bayoralenka Nehapa. Alazim in second, Danori outside, third comes Da Vinci. Boss, isa pa nga in fourth, and in fifth, Kaakit, Akita, Traditional Dream, then Tameret Kata. Into the turn they go, For Your Eyes Only. This time by Bayoralenka. Da Vinci now moving up to take second. Alazim is by the third. Five lengths in fourth. Boss, isa pa nga, Kaakit, Akita, Traditional Dream, and Tameret Kata. And it's still For Your Eyes Only by about 2.5 lengths. Alazim now coming closer in second. Da Vinci in third. 4 lengths in fourth. Boss, isa pa nga, Kakita-kita. And it's still For Your Eyes Only by Bayoralenka. Alazim now trying to get closer in second. Da Vinci. Boss, isa pa nga, Kaakit-akita. As they come down the last 200. And it's still For Your Eyes Only. Alazim is outside. Boss, isa pa nga, now moving up party outside. But it's still For Your Eyes Only. Followed by Alazim. Boss, isa pa nga. And finally, it's For Your Eyes Only. Boss, isa pa nga, Alazim.
Between 7 and 6.
Yung ating photo for fourth between 7 and 6, and that is rider Oyat Alcacid Jr. Ito yung ating quarter clockings. Kanya lahat ito. 18, 25, 24, 28, 1 minute, 35 seconds flat. Ang preba ni For Your Eyes Only, entry number 2, ang ating unofficial winner for race number 7. At matitira nga po sa take all, 8,696 para sa ating second set. Sa ating first set naman, ang natira kay For Your Eyes Only is 646. Bali, 323 na lang. Dalawang karera pa.
Alright, ito yung finish natin. Between 2 and 1. Lamang naman talaga yun. And then comes Alazim. Then dikit tayo rito. Between 6 and 7.
Lista na.